If you have ever been tasked with doing the rough-in drilling for pulling Romex for a new construction or remodel, it can get pretty tight between some of those studs. Whether you're a grunt or a seasoned professional, you know what I'm talking about. Well, today, I've got two new tools from Bosch that make drilling holes in tight areas much easier than using, say, a regular heavy-duty drill. This is the new GRD18V-127 18-volt cordless angle drill, and you can get it either with a 1/2-inch chuck or a 7/16" hex collet. Don't underestimate the relatively compact size of this drill because it's definitely not underpowered. The brushless motor Bosch used delivers plenty of torque at speeds of up to 550 or 1800 RPM, depending on the mode. That means you can dial in the drill to drill through common construction materials smoothly without taxing the tool. While the primary function of this tool is to serve as a powerful right angle drill, what makes it cool is the advanced kickback control. This reduces the risk of getting injured due to rotational torque. And if you know, you know. Kickback is a big deal, and when one of these tools binds up without any internal controls, it usually ends up being your wrist or arm that suffers. It just shuts off all by itself and illuminates this to let you know what's going on. The GRD18V-127 runs on Bosch's 18-volt battery system, so if you've already got Bosch tools, you can use your existing batteries. The drill itself, without a battery, weighs less than 7 pounds. Compared to other heavy-duty right angle drills I've used, this tool is lightweight. The standard model comes with an all-metal 1/2-inch keyed chuck. Swapping bits is no big deal because the chuck key is always available. It clips right into a holder built into the handguard. The foregrip and trigger handle both are comfortable and allow for ambidextrous use. Bosch also covers the whole front of the tool with a nice rubber overmold to give it some protection. Bosch also has a sister model, the GRD18V-127HX. What makes a difference is the 7/16" hex quick change collet in place of the 1/2-inch keyed chuck. It lets you quickly swap out hole saws and boring bits that use a 7/16" quick change shank, the most common size for these types of bits. The rest of the features and performance are the exact same as a standard chuck model. Okay, enough talking about these drills, let's go try them out. Since they're rated for up to 5-inch hole saws, let's see how it does drilling a big hole for a dryer vent. And there you have it. Either the Bosch GRD18V-127 or its HX sibling are a slam dunk choice if you're already using Bosch batteries. But even if you're not, it's still a compelling option. The only real choice is whether you go with a 1/2-inch metal chuck or the 7/16" hex quick change. These tools both come with a 5-year warranty, sell for $299 for either model as a bare tool, and you can find them wherever you pick up your Bosch power tools. What drilling tool do you use for your rough-in plumbing? How do you think it compares against these new Bosch right angle drills? Let us know in the comment section below. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, do that and hit that bell button so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.